Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight on a GMC Sierra. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and your new headlight assembly. Always make sure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is set. You'll then need to locate the two retaining bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. These are the first things we'll address. Now, with your 10mm socket, carefully loosen and remove those two retaining bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward, away from the vehicle. Be mindful of the wiring. Next, disconnect the main electrical connector and twist out the turn signal bulb from the back of the old assembly. This frees up the old unit. With the old headlight removed, it's time for the new one. First, connect the main electrical harness to your new headlight assembly. Then, twist the turn signal bulb securely into its designated spot on the new unit. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly back into its housing, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Give it a firm push to seat it properly. To finish up, reinsert the two 10mm retaining bolts you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Now, turn on your vehicle and test both the new headlight and the turn signal to confirm they are working correctly. If needed, you can adjust the headlight aim for optimal visibility and safe driving. You've successfully replaced your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.